welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, we are doing some modern farmhouse DIYs. I am so excited for this video because I haven't done a DIY video on my channel in so long. I had such a fun time creating all of these DIYs. They definitely kept me busy, which is great if you guys are stuck at home still. This will 100% keep you busy. All of the items that I'm using for these DIYs are from Dollar Tree, which makes them super affordable. So whether you're trying to keep busy or you just want to get some modern farmhouse decor for an affordable price, this is definitely the video for you. I would love for you guys to let me know which DIY was your favorite in the comments down below. I would love to have a conversation with you guys. So before we get on to the DIY projects, I wanted to share with you guys my Scentbird package that I got in the mail. You guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, Scentbird is one of my favorite companies. I have been getting their products for years and years now, and I absolutely love them as a company, and I love their products as well. So if you don't know what Scentbird is, they are a monthly subscription service for $14.95. They have added a bunch of stuff onto their website, so they are no longer just strictly fragrance. They have skincare, they have beauty, they have a ton of different options that you can pick from, along with candles and things like that. Their subscription service is great, especially if you are looking for a new fragrance, whether you're looking for a perfume or a cologne. It's great because you can try out the fragrance before buying the full size and spending a ton of money on it. So I am going to unbox this with you guys so you can kind of see what I got this month. So they did send over 2 fragrances. So this is the little bags that they come with. So the first month that you get Scentbird, they will send you these cute little containers. All you do is simply twist that up and then you can actually pull the fragrance out. So this one is the Bella Blanca, and this is what that one looks like. If you guys are interested, I hope that that's focusing for you guys. This one smells so dang good. I am so obsessed with both fragrances that I got this month. I don't like super strong, like florally scents, so I'm very happy with the scents that they picked out for me. The next scent that I got came in this really pretty like periwinkle purple color, and again, you just twist this up and you can pull it out. This is the Confessions of a Rebel. This one is called Bitch Please, which kind of cracked me up. I love the name of it. This one is also really nice and light. It's not super overbearing. I think I'm going to actually wear this one today because I haven't put on a fragrance yet. Love the color of the casing as well. So once you get your first month, they will just send you the vials to put into the case. The next thing that's in here is this Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. If you guys like orange creamsicles, this is definitely the one for you. I love the packaging, absolutely adorable. Then they also sent over this Saturday Skin Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream, which I'm very excited about as well because I feel like all of us need some brightening eye creams in our life, especially with not getting a ton of sleep. So that is all that was in my box for this month from Scentbird. So if you guys are interested in checking out Scentbird, I will make sure to leave a link in the description box down below for you guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get DIYing. For this first DIY, all you're going to need is some of these stickers from the Dollar Tree. These come in a bunch of different colors, but it doesn't matter which ones you get. And then we are just going to take a clear vase that is also from the Dollar Tree. Now we are just going to peel off these stickers and start placing them onto the vase. Now you can do this any which way that you want. I just went ahead and started laying them diagonally on the vase, and then I'm going to start going the opposite way with them and kind of overlap. Again, you can definitely do whatever design you would like on here. Again, it doesn't matter what color of stickers you get because we are going to be spray painting over this. These stickers are great to give texture to the vase. It makes it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So this is the design that I came up with. Again, it's not perfect, but you don't really need it to be. I'm just going to take some of my Rust-Oleum Ultra Matte spray paint, and I'm just going to give this a good spray down. Now you will most likely need 2 coats of spray paint. That is what I went ahead and did. And you're going to have to flip this upside down to make sure that you're getting the bottom and the top as well. I really love the way that this came out. It definitely looks a lot more expensive than what it was. This literally cost $2 to make. I'm just adding a floral pick that I got from Walmart for I believe under $5. I will try to link it if I can, but I absolutely love this. You could do it with any color of spray paint as well, and it's so versatile. For this second DIY, you're going to need 2 of these wired baskets. You're also going to need some of this poly rope, and I'm also going to be using some of this jute cord. This is the only thing that I did not get from the Dollar Tree. I got this from Walmart. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut off the top piece of the wire basket. Now this can be cut super easy. I'm just using normal scissors. You don't need wire cutters or anything like that. Once you have removed the top of the first basket, you're going to want to do the same exact thing on the second basket. Once you have removed both of the tops, you're just going to want to bend out the top slightly to bend it out a little bit. Then you're just going to place one on top of the other to create our form for our basket. Once we have that situated, I'm just going to cut out the top of the basket. This is really easy to do, but it definitely can get a little messy and there's little pieces of wire flying everywhere. So I would recommend wearing some safety goggles. I did not do that, but I would highly recommend doing so. Then we're just going to push in all of the little wires to kind of seal the 2 baskets together. Now, if I had to do this over, I would definitely be more OCD about the shape of the basket, but I still really love the way that it ended up turning out. Once we have done that, I'm just going to take the poly cord and I'm going to start hot gluing this around the bottom of the basket. Now, I didn't really know what design or color I wanted to do, so I just kind of winged this whole entire thing. Now, you don't have to hot glue every single row. I would just recommend hot gluing every so often just to make sure that nothing comes unraveled. I ended up doing kind of a back and forth of black and tan. Once I got to the middle of the basket where I'm starting right now, I had issues lining up the cord correctly just because of the way that the 2 baskets intertwined. So I went ahead and just started from the top and started coming down and tried to approach it a little bit differently, and it did work a lot better than me approaching it from below. Now that I am done lining the baskets with jute and poly cord, I'm going to create some handles with some of this wired jute cord that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to be sticking this into the little slots of the wired basket and just kind of looping it around. To finish this basket off, I am just going to put some of these lamb's ear picks that I got from Hobby Lobby. They're super inexpensive and on sale for 50% off most of the time. I really love the way that this DIY turned out. It's not perfect, but I still really enjoy the way that it looks. For this next project, we're just going to be taking some of these wood slats that I found at Walmart. They are super inexpensive. You can find these at Dollar Tree. Mine was just sold out. I'm actually going to be cutting 2 of the wood slats in half, and because I used a saw to cut these, they do have some jagged ends, so I'm just going to be taking some sandpaper to smooth those out a little bit. Once we have done that, we are going to start hot gluing. So I'm going to be making 2 of these cute little boxes. You can use these for so many different things. I went ahead and spray painted one of them and stained one of them. Again, you can do absolutely anything with these. They're very easy to make and super affordable. I'm going to be reinforcing with some more hot glue on the inside of those 2 pieces that I just put on there. Hot glue is such an easy thing to work with, but just be careful. I feel like I burned myself a lot while doing these projects, so be smarter than me and don't touch the hot glue with your skin because it definitely will burn you. I'm going to be taking some of this dark Minwax stain. I got this from Lowe's. You can obviously use whatever color of stain or spray paint that you want. I'm also going to be spray painting the other box that I made with some white spray paint. I went ahead and actually filled mine up with some of this fake moss. You can get this at the Dollar Tree or even Hobby Lobby. And then I'm also filling it with some succulents. You can also get these from the Dollar Tree if you want to, but I went ahead and used these spare ones that I had laying around that I got from Hobby Lobby. Again, you can do whatever you would like with these boxes. There is so much creative freedom, but I really like the way that they turned out. You will have to let me know which you guys would put in these little boxes if you made them. For this next DIY, I'm going to be taking some of this wired jute cord, some of the normal jute cord, and also some of the black poly cord that we used in the beginning of the video. And then we are going to take a clear vase from the Dollar Tree. So I am starting with some of the black poly cord, and I'm just going to start hot gluing this onto the vase and wrapping it around. Now you will see that I switch over to the wired jute cord, which I highly would not recommend doing. It's really hard to bend it around the vase, so you'll see I switch to the normal jute cord that is not wired. I do end up liking how this came out because there is 3 different colors on this vase, because the wired jute cord is a little bit lighter than the unwired jute cord. Once we get to the top of the vase, I'm just going to cut the jute cord and wrap it around one more time and hot glue it. Once that is done, I'm going to take another pick that I got from Walmart. Again, super inexpensive, but I really love their floral picks at Walmart. Now we are going to take this tray that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and we are simply going to spray paint this with my matte white spray paint. This is going to go with the vase that I just made, and I really love how easy and simple this was, but I love the way that it came out. It looks really expensive when it wasn't. So this is what I came up with. This is one of my favorite DIYs. I love the way that it looks, especially on my coffee table in my living room. It's so simple but cozy. So that is going to complete this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below. Let me know which DIY was your favorite, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.